Frustrated by the Orangevocoder.dll error causing Zynaptiq to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Before we dive into the Orangevocoder effect troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the Orangevocoder effect, the core library for the Zynaptiq Orange Vocoder plugin, implementing advanced spectral processing and vocoding algorithms used in professional audio production. It handles real-time spectral warping and carrier and modulator routing. If missing, vocal processing chains may load without the intended effects and produce plugin load errors in the host DAW. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. If the host software cannot locate Orangevocoder.dll, it indicates a corruption in the Zynaptiq subfolder, and reinstalling that specific program from the developer website will restore all necessary runtime files. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Orangevocoder effect file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of Orangevocoder.dll. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for Orangevocoder effect. If Orangevocoder effect is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.